Okay, good morning people. This morning, on this fine sunny day, we are planning on moving this shed behind us. It's an 8-foot by 6-foot shed. I'm going to move it into the neighbour's garden. Now, I've seen some YouTube videos on this, and by using roll bars underneath the shed to move it along, which looks like a great idea, nice and simple. Thing is, I haven't seen any videos on how to actually get the bars under the shed, so we shall hopefully solve that problem today. My idea is to jack the shed up if possible to give us enough lift off the ground in order to get the roll bars in or under, and then once that's done, the plan is to move these tracks under and start pushing the shed down the drive right down to the bottom, move it across, and then with the same principle reverse it back up into the neighbour's garden. So waiting on two friends coming along to help, thanks to John and Stevie in advance. We'll do a wee time lapse on the process, and hopefully it might help some people out on how to do this if they're planning on doing it themselves at some point later. So enjoy, here goes. That was about an hour, because I don't think we started till about 12:15, did we? Well, as you can see, everything went to plan thanks to the boys. We'll get Mad John here, we'll get Mad Stevie here, we'll get Mad Michelle.
I like my boy's haircut, but
the tomboy. Couldn't have done it without her, really. Couldn't have done it without her. Anyway, job done, folks, so hopefully that will help some of you guys out at some point if you're planning moving a shed into your neighbour's garden. Cheers for now.